This video will show you how to use the Report Center so you can easily gain insights about your business financials in QuickBooks. You can also report your business's financial information to shareholders, the government, or other interested parties. To find the Report Center to see those insights and financial statements, start by clicking on Reports. At the top, QuickBooks shows you a list of favorite reports, such as the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary, the Balance Sheet, and the Profit and Loss Statement. These are important financial statements for nearly every business. There are also 3 category tabs for the reports: Standard, Custom Reports, and Management Reports for easy navigation. To open a report, simply click on its name and the report will be displayed. To customize a report, click on Customize in the top right-hand corner. You can also have QuickBooks automatically email it to you on a recurring basis, print it, or export it as an Excel file or as a PDF. To go back to the Report Center, simply click on the Back to Report list. By scrolling down, you can see a list of other reports such as the Business Overview Reports, Who Owes You Reports, Sales and Customers, and many more. Let's open up a report to track how much we've had in sales by product or service. We'll do that by running the Sales by Product Service Summary report. This report shows us how much we've sold by product or service for the date period that we have selected. The report also shows the total amount generated from that product or service, and also the percentage of our total sales it makes up. If you want to delve any deeper into any one of these numbers, all you need to do is click on the number, and now QuickBooks will display a list of transactions that make up that total. You can of course go back to the report by clicking on Back to Report Summary and then Back to Report List by clicking on this link again. If you find a report you'd like to add to your favorites, simply click on the star. If you don't want to scroll all the way down the page to find the report you're looking for, you can also search for it right here in this field. Simply enter a word that appears in the report's title, for example, expenses, and now QuickBooks will give you a list of all the reports that contain that word. So there you have it. Use the Report Center to gain additional insights about your business. Now get started.